Hello everyone. I thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for what you guys are doing for me. More blessing to your family, more blessing to you, more blessing to everything that you're doing. It's your girl, your sister, your love. If you never subscribe to my channel, try and subscribe so you can get a good things and learn a lot in my channel. God bless you guys. Today I just want to talk about what is disturbing me, guys. Today I want to talk about many things, guys. I want to talk about many things. Everything that is happening in this life now. You see this kind of life now we are living now. The kind of life, everything changed in this world. Everything already changed. If you are still sane, then you have to repent, because this time is end time. There's no time. There's no time. No time now. Chibi, see many things where they happen in this world now. A lot of things. The people where they talk say that they enjoy. Me una they enjoy. There's no problem. Now life. But this life what we see now once. You have to achieve something. Achieve something. Okay, what now? If God just say that He's coming today, God just come today. What are you going to do? We'll be crying, begging God for forgiveness. But He leave us so many years to repent. He leave us so many things to repent. Nobody wants to repent. Everybody is living bad life. Everybody is doing anything they want. Anybody is talking, do as they want. They don't care. Okay? Everybody have to be extra careful. Everybody have to be extra careful. But waiting me, I won't talk. When I don't see the thing will come out now, when I don't see them, everybody don't see what is happening in the world now. If you like, they carry. You know, say some people, their body na carry. If they no see woman, they no fit stay. If they no see man, they no fit stay. They won't do. Guys, if you like to respect yourself, respect. Woman, if you like to respect yourself, respect. You don't see the world now. So anything now your wife or your husband, make the man no dey him own jeje. You carry sickness, come and give the man for the house. Man, no be the woman go dey jeje. He carry sickness from outside, come give am. Hold yourself well. Or use okpu. You use okpu na be enyi. More na dey hold na self well now. Guys, if you like, make your body dey hot. Ubo na aga moving train. Na say na your body dey rain, na you dey rain now. You dey inside rain, dey rain. My dear, hold yourself now. If you no hold yourself, I thank God. You see what is happening in the world. The thing go help you hold yourself. Now your body go come tell you. More na use okpu, more na dey respect una self. More na no go dey carry. Hold yourself and respect yourself. This time around, no be say no ori okpu self. Ime nsogbu, ime nsogbu. So uche gị dey. More una brain dey work 24 hours. More na dey respect una self. People wey be say their body no dey fit dey. Enjoy. Kita, now you understand? I like this word now. If you like, do anything where you want. They do bad or they do anything where you want. You get percussion. This time not be say you go say tomorrow. You get percussion immediately. You don't even need to say letter. No. If you do good, you see the good. It's what I notice this world now. If you see bad, if you do bad, you get bad. More na no take sickness give your husband. No take sickness give your wife. More na hold una self. Guys, women, what we say una body no dey fit stay one place. Una sabi waka. Anywhere where they put palm party they happen, you go see them there. Anywhere where they do palm all the whole club, you go see men, all of them they go full there. One na respect on herself. Na advice what I won't give now. Hold yourself. Be careful for where you're going. Be careful for everything that you're doing. Okay? Be very extra careful for your life. And be prayerful. Be prayerful. This time is end time. It's end time. Be very, very prayerful for yourself. If you don't know how to pray, the little one, if you wake up in the morning, kneel down and just, even though not small, just God appreciates. God is not like us that will just do anyhow. God appreciates the little one you do to God. God appreciates it as far as you bring your heart for Him. So guys, hold yourself and respect God. Okay? And respect your wife and respect your husband too. Guys, I love you guys. It's your girl, the sister you love. Subscribe to my channel so you can be seeing all these yoli things now, all these good words. God bless you. God bless you. Have a blessed day today. Thank you so much, guys.